Hi, this is Quizlet. This is the tool that I selected for this week's assignment using last week's quiz that I had created. Quizlet was very easy to use, and you can see you can mix the question types, true, false, or a definition. Here you would go in if you wanted to make some changes, and up here we'll choose test. And here is the quiz. After answering, you can check your answers. Here it says no answer, so obviously it's 0. If you go under options, here is where you can mix up the questions. Now I found Quizlet to be really, really good for memorization. If you're studying terms, definitions, this is ingenious because you can pull it up anywhere and study. However, if you were going to do something elaborate, as here, touching on Russian history, you'd really want some graphics. And that would be in the premium pricing category. But I think it would be worth it. I was really happy with how it turned out and how simple it was to use.